Hey everyone, this is Dhruvin, and in this session we will be talking about how we can apply grid lines and background color in small multiples. So now let's get started and talk about that in detail. Here I have opened my one of the Power BI report, and here I have created one of the small multiples visual. If you haven't visited my earlier video that how I created the small multiple visual in Power BI, please visit that video. Link is available in the description box or in the eye icon of this video. Now, Microsoft rolled out one more new feature in small multiples that now we can apply background as well as grid lines with our visualization. During this session, we are going to talk more about that thing in detail. But before we get started, make sure that you have updated your Power BI desktop with latest version of February 2021. Otherwise, you will not able to see this option. Now, let me open up my report page and it will looking like this. Now, let me apply background as well as grid line over here. So first of all, select your small multiple visual that you have created. Now, just go to the format property, expand the grid layout option. Here we have different options. First is grid line. In grid line we have 5 different options available. That let's say if you wanted to apply full border and grid line, just select this option. So here you can see that it is adding the grid line like this and the visual will looking like this, right? Similar way, based on your requirement and convenient, you can select other options as well, like vertical grid line, horizontal grid line and all grid lines, right? Similar way, you can apply background color using this option. So let's say I'm selecting this one and I'm applying this as a background color. Now once you select the background color, you just need to set the background transparency as well. So make sure that you set the background transparency over here and that will looking like this. So this is how you can apply background color as well as grid lines for your small multiple visual. Hope this tip helped you. If you have any question, you can add your question in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram as well as on podcast. If you are looking for any consultancy, click on this link. It will redirecting you to my website and from there fill up the form and I will reach out to you there. Also, if you are looking for Instagram learning, just click on this Instagram icon. This will redirecting you to my Instagram homepage and from here you can listen different Power Platform concept on the Instagram. Similar way, if you are looking for podcast learning for Power Platform, just click on this link. It will redirecting you to this particular page. From here you can listen your favorite Power Platform podcast on your favorite podcast platform like Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Spotify and much more. Also, if you are interested to listen different short video related Power Platform, just click on this link. It will redirecting you to this particular channel. Subscribe that channel and show your love for this channel as well. This is Dhruvin signing off. See you in the next sessions. Have a great day. Goodbye.